In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Google Sheets to Squarespace. This can be incredibly useful if you're looking to seamlessly integrate and display live data from your Google Sheets on your Squarespace website. Whether you're running a small business or simply want to enhance your site's functionality, this guide will help you do just that. Let's start by heading over to Google Sheets. Make sure you're signed into your Google account and open the spreadsheet you wish to link. Once your sheet is open, look to the top of your screen and click on File in the menu. This will open a drop-down with a range of options, but the one we're interested in right now is Share. Go ahead and click on it. Once the Share menu appears, you'll notice an option that says Publish to the Web. This option allows you to make your sheet accessible to those you share it with via a special link, or by embedding it directly onto a web page, which is what we'll be doing. So click on Publish to the Web. Afterwards, select Embed to get the necessary code. You will then see an option to Publish. Clicking this will generate a code you'll use on your Squarespace website to display your Google Sheet. Don't worry, you can stop publishing at any time, and your data will remain secure and under your control. Once you see the embed code generated, copy this code. You'll need it in just a moment. Now it's time to head over to your Squarespace editor. Log into your Squarespace account and navigate to the section of your site where you'd like to embed the Google Sheet. Once there, look for the option to Add Block and click on it. This will show you a variety of block types and layouts. Find and select the Embed Block option. Now click on Edit within the Embed block and you'll see an option labeled Code Snippet. This is where we'll be placing the code you copied earlier. So go ahead and paste the embed code from your Google Sheet into this area. After pasting, click on Embed Data to finalize the link between your spreadsheet and your Squarespace site. You should now see your Google Sheet embedded on your Squarespace page, reflecting any changes you make to the sheet in real time. If everything looks good, click Save to store your changes. And there you have it. Your Google Sheet is now linked to your Squarespace website. This integration not only enhances your site by displaying current data, but also saves time and effort by ensuring updates are synchronized automatically. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that it makes your website even more dynamic and engaging. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.